Number 12. Each term in the given sequence is from the function f of n equals 2n to the x power for a fixed value of x. If f of 1, which is your first term, is 2, and the first three terms in the sequence are given, what is the value of the sixth term? Okay, so what we've got to figure out is we got to use this equation here to come up with these numbers and figure out what value x is that will give us that number, the next number. So if we look at this, this is 2 times n to the x power. So n is your first term. So this is 2 times 1 to some power. Now this 16 here is 2 times, it's the second term, so it's 2 to some power. And then this 54 is the third term, so it's 2 times 3 to some power. Now this one's a little tricky because 1 to any power is going to give you 1, or any integer is going to give you, or whole number is going to give you 1, and 2 times 1 is 2. So we're going to look at these two, okay? We got to figure out, what do we multiply by 2 to get 16? And so this would have to be 2 times 8. So this right here needs to be 8. So 2 to what power gives me 8? 2 squared is 4, and 2 to the third power is 8. So if x was 3, that would work. Okay, now we're going to try that over here. So 2 times what gives me 54? That would be 27. So this right here needs to be 27. Well, 3 squared is 9, and 3 cubed is 27. So that means that the exponent would be 3. And so that works. So we're going to carry that pattern to find the sixth term. So if I want to know the sixth term, that would be f of 6. So I would say 2 times 6 to the third power. N is your number of terms, and then we figured out that x was 3. So we just type that in our calculator, 2 times 6 to the third power. And that would give us 432. So f of 6, or our sixth term, is 432.